Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the trending effect called If I Were Food on TikTok. This effect shows you what food you look like. So to get this effect, first open up your TikTok app. Now tap on search at the top right and search for If I Were Food. It'll look like this and it'll appear under effects. Tap on it. Now browse through how others have created their video using the effect. If you don't see this effect in your search results, then that means it's still not available for your region. You just need to wait until TikTok releases it in your region. Once you're ready, tap on Try this effect. On screen, you'll see a circle in which some foods will start to show up. After a few seconds, it'll then show you what food you look like. Record your video with the effect and then post it on TikTok. And that is a trending effect on TikTok called If I Were Food. Now, if you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.